All right, welcome back. I'm Dylan Black. They are going to be at this show right here, the Ottawa Home and Remodeling Show, and it's happening very soon. Would you like a pair of tickets? Look how you can win. Simple. Email us, daytimeottawa@rogers.com. And who are they exactly? Well, Katrina Barkley joins us right now. She's the owner of Malenka Originals. Nice to see you.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Good to have you on the show anytime. And we also have Jennifer Bell as well, an interior decorator at Malenka Originals. We're going to put you to work in moments as well, right? It's going to be fun. Katrina, tell us about Malenka Originals. So first of all, how long have you been around for at this point?
So I've had my shop for just over 5 years.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And what are you all about?
So what we like to do is take old, tired furniture and make it beautiful again. We sell Annie Sloan's chalk paint, which is the most amazing product for painting your furniture. You don't need to strip or sand or prime. You can put it on over anything. The paint's been around for 27 years. It's been tried and tested. It's a beautiful product.
Okay. What is your association this weekend with the Home and Remodeling Show?
So we're super excited. They've asked us again to partner with them. It's an amazing opportunity for a small business like ours to really reach a lot of people. So we have quite a few things going on there. We're hosting the Refreshed Furniture Pop-Up Shop Winter Edition. So this is something we've done for the last 5 years outside of our shop, but we're bringing it to the EY Center. We have 11 local furniture painters who are bringing their furniture in to sell. These are just a few pieces that we have here from a few of the participants. AKB Creations, we've got Recreated Designs, and Cecile Troy has done this one. So you're going to find a lot of furniture at a great price.
Okay.
We're also hosting the Refreshed Furniture Workshop Space. So,
oh, good.
Yeah.
So you have a lot going on this weekend.
We have a lot going on, including presentations as well.
Wow, I haven't even asked you where your physical location is. I should have asked you that.
No, so we are based in Hintonburg. We're on 1098B Somerset Street West. That's where our shop is.
Okay. Lots to get to, but why don't we talk to Jennifer for a second? Okay, so interior decorator, Jennifer, what exactly are you doing down there with those chairs?
So I am working on a old piece. This is an oak chair that we actually received. It was painted prior to us painting this coat. This is the technique that we're actually going to be doing at the show.
Okay.
So it's called a two-color wash.
Yes.
And what we're doing is it's actually a great technique to do if you're trying to cover up any blemishes or spots that maybe repairs that need to be done to the chair. It's almost like a beachy look. Looks great with the two tones, and any neutral colors work really well together, playing them off of each other.
Okay.
And yeah,
and
so
it almost looks like it's brand new afterwards.
It does,
which
yeah.
is great. How many chairs? So what would you call this then? Refurbishing? I mean, what would the exact?
Refreshing. You could,
yes.
Yeah.
Upcycling as well.
Upcycling.
Yeah, we like to use the term upcycling for
Yeah.
sure. Because a lot of these pieces really didn't look very good before this one was spray painted and it had drips and things on it. But we didn't have to strip it like you had to do with previous paints. We didn't have to strip it down. We were just able to paint straight over that. So you're taking something that really wasn't wanted and turning it into something that it becomes a focal piece in your house.
Okay. So how would it work then as far as your shop's concerned? Would people just come in and bring their pieces of furniture to you and then you just make it look beautiful again? Or?
Well, actually, no. Our shop is really geared towards teaching people how to do it themselves. So we will take on pieces of furniture. Sometimes people don't want to do it themselves, so we will take on furniture. But what we really love is to show people how to do it themselves. And that's really where this pop-up shop comes out of. A lot of the people in this pop-up shop are people that I got to know as customers who wanted to start doing this work themselves and making it into a business. So we run workshops at the store. We'll help you with your projects. Yeah, so we really like to get people involved.
It must have gotten a lot of people involved over the past 5 years or so.
Gosh, I've taught thousands of, I think it's about 2,000 people my workshop, if you can believe it. Yeah, we were averaging about 500 a year. So we've definitely been lucky to teach a lot of people.
And here we have some of the before and afters as well. As you can see, people are showing the original, maybe a little run down.
Yes, yeah.
Used looking.
This was a piece that I bought on Kijiji for $50. It really didn't look like much before, and people aren't really interested in that look. It looks quite dated, but you can see when you paint it. So this was painted with Annie Sloan's chalk paint in a combination of a few colors, because you can mix her colors together. A bit of distressing there. So, and it's really nice actually. The person that bought this piece had a very, very modern house. So you don't necessarily need to have, you know, all vintage antique furniture to make that work. Yeah.
And look at this piece. So you were saying, I mean, you bought it for $50, and I guess one of the most important things is you probably could sell that for a lot more than $50 after you're done.
Well, yeah, we do. Yes, you can do that. You can, yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, you're putting value into your pieces.
We do put a lot of time into the pieces for sure. And I always say every piece that we do is a work of art. And it's the same thing if you're doing the work yourself. You put a lot of your own creativity into that, your time. So for sure, it's always worth a lot more monetarily, but also just sentimentality-wise too. Yeah.
And Jennifer, how's that chair coming along?
It's coming.
Yeah. About how long would it take you to finish a chair like that? It doesn't seem like it would take too long.
Start to finish?
Yeah.
I would give it probably a couple hours.
Yeah.
You would want to do a solid coat, and then the second coat would be the wash. So there's drying time in there.
Yeah.
And then you would want to finish it with a wax.
Okay, amazing. Can you tell us quickly, we just have a minute, Katrina, so where will people find you this weekend exactly?
So we're going to be at the EY Center. It's from the 18th to the 21st, so Thursday to Sunday. These workshops that we're putting on, once you are in the home and remodeling show, you can come and do those workshops at no extra charge. So we're going to run 12 of those workshops over the course of the 4 days. So yeah, come and visit the workshop space and the Refreshed Furniture pop-up shop, and we have presentations as well on the Saturday and the Sunday.
Sounds like a lot of fun. And then people can visit you, of course, at your exact location?
Yeah, you can come and see us at Malenka Originals on 1098B Somerset Street West in Hintonburg.
Wonderful. All right, Katrina and Jennifer, thank you very much for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
See you this weekend.
Yeah.
If you want to learn about beekeeping, and who doesn't, that's a lot of fun. We've got more details next on Daytime.